Our company is undergoing demanding changes from oil company to multi-energetic companies. We are more and more focused on renewable sources. We are looking forward to cooperation with students, and we are happy to see a fresh overlook from young people who will show us the new opportunities in our business for the future. We are looking to close cooperation with your students. World is changing, and we need a fresh overview from next generation. We will be in close touch with students during all the project, and the outputs of the project will be really good for us, and we will work with it in our next work.